Direct indirect. Part 1. Sentences 1 to 20. 1. Direct, she said, I am doing my home task now. Indirect, she said that she was doing her home task then. 2. Direct, he said, I am not a thief. Indirect, he said that he was not a thief. 3. Direct, she said, I am working hard. Indirect, she said that she was working hard. 4. Direct, he said, I have returned the books. Indirect, he said that he had returned the books. 5. Direct. She said, the patient died in the hospital. Indirect, she said that the patient had died in the hospital. 6. Direct, he said, she will go there. Indirect, he said that she would go there. 7. Direct, she said, I do not agree with you. Indirect, she said that she did not agree with him. 8. Direct, he said to the stranger, I do not recognize you. Indirect, he told the stranger that he did not recognize him. 9. Direct, the teacher said to Muin, I have taught you and your sister. Indirect, the teacher told Muin that he had taught him and his sister. 10. Direct, she said to me, you are a lazy boy. Indirect, she told me that I was a lazy boy. 11. Direct, she said, I like clouds in the sky. Indirect, she said that she liked clouds in the sky. 12. Direct, he said, I am unwell. Indirect, he said that he was unwell. 13. Direct, he said to her, I live in this building. Indirect, he said to her that he lived in that building. 14. Direct. They said, our teacher is on leave. Indirect, they said that their teacher was on leave. 15. Direct, Arif and Aisha said to their mother, we like mangoes. Indirect. Arif and Aisha told their mother that they liked mangoes. 16. Direct, she said, I am helping my mother in the kitchen. Indirect, she said that she was helping her mother in the kitchen. 17. Direct. He said, I am watering the plants in the garden. Indirect, he said that he was watering the plants in the garden. 18. Direct, Afshan said, I am sewing mother's shirt. Indirect. Afshan said that she was sewing her mother's shirt. 19. Direct, he said, they are not doing their duty well. Indirect, he said that they were not doing their duty well. 20. Direct, he said to me, you are not running very fast. Indirect, he said to me that I was not running very fast.